Good morning, y'all. Happy Vlogmas Day 16. Let me pause my music real quick. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Okay. I could not pause my music for nothing. But anyways, happy Vlogmas Day 16. I did not vlog yesterday because once I got off work, I just lay in bed the rest of the day. Like, I was so exhausted and like I didn't even fall asleep right away. Like my body just needed to rest. So like I literally just laid down and yeah, like I was out. Like I didn't feel like doing nothing the rest of the night. So but right now I'm actually getting ready to do my makeup. I just got a shower and everything, and I need to do my hair too. Maybe I should do my hair first so I can put my scarf on. No, I don't feel like it. Whew. So this Mario Badescu rose water, so good. I use it all the time, every morning. Like it's become part of my. I got this new simpler morning routine, and it's been seeming to work pretty nicely. So I mean, my other morning routine for my skincare morning routine was pretty simple too, but this one is even simpler, and I think it's working. So I'm gonna keep doing it for like probably another week, and then if I feel like my face has cleared up enough to show you guys, then I'll go ahead and do an updated morning skincare routine. So, but yeah, my face looks clear, right? I still got little dark marks here from popping pimples all the time, but that's alright. But yeah, that's what I'm about to do, and then get ready and go to church. I'm gonna cook breakfast this morning. It's actually only 8:30, which is super early for me to be getting ready right now because I'll be taking my sweet little time on Sunday mornings. But yeah, that's what I'm about to do right now. So I want to listen to music while I'm getting ready, so which means I can't have the camera on unless I mute. I'll just mute it. Y'all can watch me get ready. Well, maybe, I don't know, because I need to have this bright light on me, but it messes up the camera. I'll just show y'all when I'm done. Alright, y'all, so turn my music off again. Copyrights. Okay, so I just finished getting ready. It's about 9:20. I'm about to make a quick breakfast and head out. Try to leave by 9:40. This is my makeup. Some little gold or whatever. I'm gonna do a red lip, but I want to eat first. So yeah, so I got my little burgundy red scarf on or whatever. Is that doing too much? But I have another scarf too that I might switch to. I'm not 100%. It depends on how cold it is outside. Because the only reason I don't want to wear it is it's too thick. But I prefer that color scheme better. Oh, oh, do y'all see this highlight? I was just shook myself, y'all. I know, crazy. But anyways, yeah, I'm about to make a quick breakfast. Just some I'm trying to think. Do I want to make hash browns or the potatoes? I mean, I know they both potatoes, but one is like a thicker potato. You know, I don't feel like digging in the freezer, so we're gonna go with these hash browns and then some turkey bacon. I was gonna make a little waffle this morning, but we don't got time for that, so we're gonna just do some turkey bacon and hash browns and call it a day. So yeah, let me do that real quick and be on my way out, y'all. Okay, so I guess I'm not gonna eat turkey bacon because literally I just bought this a couple days ago and it already has mold on it. I think, I don't know what it is. Yeah, I think that's mold. I'm disgusted. Going in the trash. It says until the 14th of January. I don't know. I'm throwing it away. We don't got no time for that. Okay, sis. So I guess I'm gonna just eat some hash browns. Like, I'm trying to set, oh man. Yeah, I got this, y'all, sitting on this little tripod thing. And it's not really trying to work with me. I'm upset. I'm upset. Dun, 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 dun. I'm so mad though because I really wanted this bacon, so I guess I'll just make hash browns. So I ended up whipping up some hash browns and pancakes. I burned this one a little bit because I was rushing and I was just like, the heat was too hot, but whatever. So I'm about to chop this real quick in like 5 minutes and then go to church. Okay, bye.
One more time, this ain't no ordinary. This ain't no ordinary song. The God so I'm gonna give him all the hell. I'm gonna give it all I have in me.
Y'all, my phone is blowing up right now with the group chat. I'm just trying to go to church. That's all I'm trying to do. Put some lipstick on and go to church. I changed my scarf. It's hot outside low-key with this scarf on. Like, if I didn't have a scarf, I'll be fine. But I feel like I just needed some more to the look. So, that's what we doing. I think the lipstick looks alright. Okay, but yeah, just updating you guys. I'm at church now, so see you guys after. Hey y'all, so I'm at my house and I'm watching vlogs. I'm waiting for her to finish dinner, but it's about to be done. I'm currently watching Amber Martin. She was like one of my favorite YouTubers. So yeah, about to eat some spaghetti that my mama made. And then you about to wash the dishes. Why would you put that bowl in the sink that I just took out and I was about to use it for the spaghetti? That don't make no sense. No, I didn't. I think so. Well, you thought wrong. So.
Well, get the bowl over and sit out.
I'm about to.
Instead of getting the bowl up.
I wasn't getting hold of the bowl. Bowl. Skitty.
And you can actually even do greater than, but in this case it's kind of weird to say if it's greater than or less than A. But essentially it doesn't care about.
Alright, y'all. That's all I'm doing for the rest of the day. Eating and doing some laundry. So I'm probably just gonna end this vlog here. Hopefully it's enough footage for y'all because you know I really don't be doing nothing. So if I'm not doing nothing, that means it's gonna be a low-key, a short vlog. And I'm sorry. That's just the way it is. But yeah. So yeah, I'm about to eat this, put another load of laundry in, and then call it a night. So let me edit this vlog, have it up for y'all, and I'll see you guys tomorrow on Vlogmas Day 17? Is today 16? I think so. See y'all on Vlogmas Day 17.